Okay, I'm going to do just a few short videos. Believe it or not, I am getting a camera stand, which is going to make this so much easier for me. And probably you. But anyway, this is in Anaheim. And I would be willing also to share the seeds of this one. It's not like they're not full of them. What I'm going to show you is the best way that I found to germinate seeds. Now, we're going to start with, first of all, I add purified water, because why not? And then, well, I did not show that you need a knife. One does need a knife. I'm going to go get a knife, and then I'm going to show you how I cut it apart. Okay, I'm not going to be a hero here and try to do this with one, not with a sharp knife. But what I'm going to do is just basically cut it here, slit it, show you the inside, take out all the seeds, all the white stuff, and we'll go from there. Would you just look at that? Okay, so I'm going to take all these seeds. Some people break all the membrane apart. Me, I just simply dump all the seeds in here. As many of them as I possibly can. And believe me, I'll go and find the ones that I dropped. And this here, if you're not going to eat it, make sure you throw it in your compost bin. I'll be doing a video on that as well. So what I'm going to do is let these soak. I like to wait until they turn a little bit green in the middle. But we're going to start, this is the start of our Anaheim Pepper grow. And again, if you want any of these seeds, please let me know. If you need them sent to you, you're going to have to send me a self-addressed envelope, because, well, I can't send them to everybody. But anyway, you can go to the store and pick up one too. This one came out of my garden though. I just didn't quite know what to do with it. So there we go on that one. We're going to go ahead and take the, I think, I have a feeling there's some kind of purple, it cannot be a chili, but it's some kind of a purple pepper that I've rooted. I'll show you. But not rooted, but I've soaked the seeds, and we're going to go ahead and put them in the plastic container like this. That's what we'll do with these in about a week, maybe 3 to 5 days. That's it on this one.